Right, today I am testing out the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra video and camera qualities. So right now we're at Regent's Park and we'll go through the park and around it just to see how the camera looks, the quality of the greens we can get from the trees, and just in general to be fair. I've actually been impressed with this camera, and having been an iPhone user pretty much since it came out, I can honestly say that the camera on the Galaxy S22 Ultra is a million times better than the iPhone. So right now we are going into Regent's Park, right in central London. A nice February day, not raining, not sunny, a bit windy, but at least we have no rain yet. Let's cut through the grass. There's a nice plant section. Well, I say plant, it's like a flower section, which hopefully I can test out the camera quality. And I've got my iPhone with me as well, so we can compare both cameras. So the audio you're going to be hearing right now is from the Galaxy Ultra S22. So right now I'm filming with both cameras, iPhone 13 Pro Max and Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, just to see how the camera quality looks. Judging by how it looks on the screen, I do think that the iPhone looks much better. And the audio you're going to hear right now is from the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Right, a quick test just to see how it looks with 0.5 times and 0.6 times on the Samsung. Hopefully quality shouldn't be too affected, but this is making use of the ultra wide lens, I believe. Again, judging by how it looks on the screen, the iPhone does look much better, but let's see how it looks when we put it into the computer. Taking some pictures as well. Hopefully they come out quite nice. Having looked at the footage right now as I'm editing, it seems as if the colors stand out more on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. It's more vibrant, it's more colorful. You can just see the colors, if that makes sense. I'm not really a professional photographer. I mean, I like taking pictures, but honestly, from what I've been seeing, and I will be echoing this throughout the video, the quality on the Galaxy is amazing. I've shown it to my brother as well, who's also an iPhone user, and even he says hands down the Samsung wins. I was also intrigued to see how slow-mo works on the Galaxy, so here's a brief glimpse of how slow-mo looks. I am filming this, by the way, without an external mic, so whatever you hear from both phones is the internal mic that comes with the phone, so hopefully the camera quality looks good. I'm also filming in FHD with 60 frames per second, so hopefully that should also make a difference. I do like the colour. I think it pops so much when you're outside. Originally I was going to get burgundy, but glad that I got the green. There are a few exclusive colours online on the Samsung website, but you're probably looking at 3 to 4 weeks for them to arrive. The brightness levels on the phone when you're using it outside, not too bad. You can pretty much see everything. There's no glare on the phone, well, as I'm using it. Let's go into YouTube. Oops. Let's sit down for a bit. Not too bad. Screen isn't as smooth as I thought it would be, but that might be fixed after a few updates. Brightness levels are all the way high up. Color looks nice on the phone. It's supposed to be 120 Hz, it's just like the iPhone. That varies as well depending on the app that you use. Again, similar to the iPhone. I'm assuming Apple took all these ideas from a Samsung anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Here's the back, shining on the natural light that we're getting. Again, very cloudy day. This portion of the video I'm filming on the iPhone 13 Pro Max, so if there's a massive difference, it's because the Apple camera looks much better. I'll also show you some night pictures that I took yesterday. I was very surprised with those. They actually looked really nice. Disney Plus here. Probably won't play you these videos in case I get done for copyright. Let's switch back to the Galaxy camera now. So, back to the Galaxy camera, taking a break. There's a nice pond / lake here in Regis Park, but can't be bothered going over there. It's a bit windy now. This is on 1x. I'll switch it to this is 2x. Bit blurry. Still does the job. This is 4. I'll go back to normal now. If you wondered how selfie camera looks, this is how it is. Not too bad. I think it's better than the iPhone as well. I know with Samsung they tend to put a lot of effort into the Galaxy selfie camera. Apple will rarely ever update that, so I think Galaxy takes the edge here. Just for comparison, I'm now filming with the front camera of the iPhone. Doesn't look that great, to be fair. I mean, it is still quite good, but compared to the Samsung, I just don't think the iPhone wins here. Again, I don't think Apple have ever, well, recently updated their front camera, so I think Samsung takes it here. Overall, I am quite impressed with the camera. I think it is better than the iPhone, but when you use certain apps, which I've realized, such as Snapchat or Instagram, the quality is very bad for some reason. I'm not sure why. I think that's just common with Samsung phones, but if you use the standard default camera, you're getting one of the best cameras on a smartphone essentially. Let me know what you guys think of the camera, whether you prefer the iPhone or the Samsung. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe. Bit been doing a speed test and an unboxing video, and I appreciate all the support that I've gotten so far. More subscribers I get, the more motivated I am to make these sort of videos. I'm 271 subs now, so if I can get 300, that would be amazing. Again, thank you everyone for all the support that I've been getting. Thanks for watching this video. Right now what you're going to be seeing is some pictures that I took with the Galaxy. Hopefully you enjoy those and you see how good of a camera this phone has.